I know it's not the best, but I'm proud of myself. And I got little Dando here. He helped me out. If you don't know who Dando is, I don't have my camera on at the moment, but he's a little Lego McLaren. So, well, he's not the car. He's the little Lego figure. I just call him Dando, right? And I used his car as a reference. So, and it worked very well. So, thank you, Dando. I feel like we should have one with it. Ooh. Look, buddy, I know it's cool. I know it's cool, but you gotta stop ooh in my ears. Okay. We have an issue. It looks a little bare now, but it's okay. Build an F1 track. Ah, yo! It was a cow pasture, but you know, all the cows, you know, disappeared. So before we test it on any track, I'm going to try to build it again. You're gonna get your small car jack because it's not a very big car. We're gonna put it over here. Interfere with you over here, buddy. Right? Okay. So then, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this one. Oh, I don't think it was that one. Nope, it was not that one at all. We could use that one, but we're not. We're gonna use this one. Make sure it's even on the little post here. All right, that's a big step because you don't want to, you know, it's true in building a Lego car too. Would you shut up? Go away. Go away. Get off my property. Get off my property. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go. You're going to place your seat. This is the one that looks most like an F1 steering wheel, so we're gonna do that one. We're gonna do that one. Okay. Yeah. All right. There we go. I had to do that for some reason. I don't know why. I just had to. Okay. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this right here. You're gonna even them out. There you go. Look at that. Make sure it's even. Make sure it's even every way. Make sure it's all even. I didn't do this until the very end, but just do it while you can. And then Bright Bomber, it is not nighttime outside. Why do you have a torch? You're wasting our oxygen. You are polluting the air. Okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab your big platform bumper, the bigger one. And you're gonna, is it level? Yeah, it is level. I don't think it's level on mine though. Oh, it is, okay. So there's that. Alright. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna, I think it's this one. I don't know. Please do not repeat until I'm sure. I don't know. Okay, so I just placed the little base 8, but that's the right base, but I forgot. So I actually used base 9 in this video, but the actual build is base 8. So use base 8 if you want to do the car that was in the intro, or do base 9 if you want to do the car that I'm building in this tutorial. Don't use vehicle base 9 for the motor, use vehicle base 8. And if you were to use vehicle base 8, then you're gonna put this on the back of it. Just, you know, you have a better engine at least. That's what we're gonna say. This little piece, and you're gonna place it right behind your stool, your chair, your chair. Okay, right behind it. Yeah, it's gonna hang off. Yeah, that's okay. Cause that's fine. That's fine. All right. And then what you're gonna do? This is not the same order I built it as, but we're gonna do it this way, okay? It makes it easier on me. So we're gonna do this, and we're gonna place it on the edge of this side, like that. This is gonna be a little hand eater right now. That's what I call it, hand or head eater. Cause you know, you stick your hand in there, you might die. Or on this page at least. Promise. Alright. Anyways, let's go to this. My friendly handy dandy. We're gonna keep it, but I think it's number 8. I know I said it wasn't, but I think it is. I think it is. But it's okay. It's alright. You're just gonna have to do something a little different, because I promised we weren't gonna change it again. Whoa, alright, come right here. At this point I don't even know anymore. It's okay. I'm gonna come up a little up it, like half a thing, blob of it, and then we're going to secure that is in there. Another one, but he's big. Right there, like that, right there. Okay, see that? All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to building parts, and we're going to get some floors, and then we're going to get and then we're going to go here, but on the little dark gray line, we're not going to put the fence down that far. So, and then what? There's another. Oh, and then we're going to put it half over that. Yes. We're going wee bit. And I'm gonna put two of them, only 2. Half over the first one, only to the dark gray line, move over, only 2. Okay, look at that, okay. And then what we're gonna do is get it. Okay, this one's longer. I did use the wrong back, but it's okay. More than 2. Late thin floor, first one. And we're going to put it equally, but push it back one. There we go. That looks better already, yo. We're gonna go ahead and put the light here and make sure we did it right, because I don't think I did it right. There we go. Light into the key side. If I had the Lewis Hamilton skin, I'd so be wearing it right now while building this, but I don't have it because I didn't know who he was. I just knew that he kept killing me, so I called him Bad Bunny because he looked kind of like Bad Bunny to me. Don't come at me, please. It's literally crying at me. It's like, I want headlights. I need headlights. Well, you're not getting headlights, are you? No. And so, yeah, we're not going to put this stuff on. If you do, it's just the fence. You put it, like, right here and right here. You put them. I forgot which way I made them face. So make them face this way. And then put them. But you won't be able to sit in there, so if you want to have it for looks, go ahead. And then the medieval fence, I think it was, and you should put it right here. Floors. And I got the wood thin floor. Okay, that's right. And then we're going to get the wood thin floor, but it's going to be bigger.
Once again, if you use base 8, the wood pieces are going to be smaller or shorter.
This goddamn game. It worked on the other one. What the? It worked on the other one. Dude, he's gonna place a fence. You're gonna place a fence. A floor the size of that. Okay. it's gonna stick out a little. Get off. Okay, get away. There we go, that's fixed. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your wood thin floors, the ones that cover. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I just got a text message. Okay, well, we're not gonna do that apparently. That's not what we're supposed to do. If you want to do that, you can do that, but apparently we're not supposed to be doing that.
The left one is before, the right one is after. The left one is too low, the right one is perfect.
I don't know why. I don't know. And then you can just peek in the motor and that. But, you know what? We don't really have a choice, because guess what? We still have to work on this. Alright. You can also add decorations, anything you want to it. I was so happy to make it. You know, I didn't really care. So you're gonna get small steerable wheels. Look, we can't choose like if we want inters or softs or mediums or hards or whatever you want. We can't choose that, unfortunately. So we're just getting normal wheels. We're getting poor people wheels. I'm gonna put it right up next to, and we're not gonna do this either. Right up next to the wing, and we're gonna. That's what it's called, right? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I'm sorry. I'm a little rusty. I haven't played the game in a while. I've been playing this. And then we're going to put this. I don't think that's right. I think that is right. It looked more up than that one. Oh, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Do a small powered wheel now. Small powered wheel on the, Tell me, is that level? I can't tell. Look at how open it is. Look at how open it is. It should be, but I don't know. Yeah, there's a lot of difference about this one than the other one, but we don't have a choice. We don't have a choice. We have to work with what we have. So yeah, remember, don't use vehicle base 9 for the motor. Use vehicle base 8. And if you were to use vehicle base 8, then you're gonna put this on the back of it. I think that's what I did. Cause you see that? There's like a little, yep, that's what I see. That's what I see, but I don't know. I built it, but I still don't know. But anyways, whatever you want to do, you can do something different to it. It really doesn't matter. I forgot something. Yep, I sure did. Make sure these puppies are going the right way. Oh, okay, don't tell me I can't do that. Thank you. Okay. See, these stick out a lot more. So, just don't, do they have any speed or turn difference? Turn difference, probably. But, it's okay. Because it looks like this one's carrying a garbage bin behind it. But, yeah, so I advise if you do the way it's supposed to be, just look at this, for example. I mean, the measurements are going to be different. Like, the measurements are going to be pretty different. If you want me to, I'll make another video where I fix it, because, it's a little jacked up. So, we got 2 different ones here. So, thank you for watching. Yeah, go skirt around the track, and maybe I'll make a video of me working on the track or the finished track. So keep Tiger loving, and bye.